2020 season Juve against Napoli or Kopieme or so just imagine the way the reception and Kasaibe is going to be really hot air reception at the amount penny friend or Mauricio Sarri abroad the Juventus against Napoli. But you see in football a group professionalism like this yeah the rivalry yeah the tune chain kakra. In fact so share Carlo Ancelotti or be coach Juventus or coach Milan but on one Casano on net Juventus supporter he's not a fan of Juve and the interviews baby or Juventus equine and on no Carlo Ancelotti no equine enko because he's a player or see a kind AC Milan. And a lot of success as a player, AC Milan no be him with Carlo Ancelotti. But when Ancelotti became a manager, after so coach Regina or be coach Parma, the next club Juve and coach Omo. Now Juve supporters me been say Omo a former Milan player who is a through and through Milan player. So no be Omo coach Sanso and now share some supporters of AC Milan. Now no more de so Omo great player. Papa and friend Carlo Ancelotti every coach AUV. But on the net one chain, but that's his profession. And his profession means he can be the coach of any other air club, no matter the rivalry between on a former club and that particular club. And Ancelotti every coach Juve Emani or coach free yes why not a lot of success with Juve but on back to AC Milan and obedi Champions League menu and the Emo. When you say Manchester United open your friend or Matt Busby or no coach United for 24 years. In fact so on the era on a body United and Casa United first European Cup 1968 was won by Openia friend Matt Busby. Now Matt Busby Nabako send saying boy United and he never played for Manchester United. In fact, Matt Busby here coach a boy Emma United greatest rivals in history. Manchester City, no more chrome and I think so Liverpool. So two classes and a Matt Busby patron Osiakai Eddie Emomo into another career as a footballer. Osiakai only two class. Liverpool and Man City. But they come and say obey a coach. Or retire in 1941. Last club we see a Kaimomo Liverpool. 1941 and Otina Sekaka 4 years and Oba back. The first club on coach here was Manchester United. And on coach United for 24 years. And you can say that Matt Busby is somebody who played for United, Manchester United's greatest rivals. But they come and say Baba be a coach, one just a rivalry, you don't count that. You go to where the employment is available. Baby, I would say Obetima Kwako Bejumano and a Busby by United ebe Bejuma and so Edema club say Kemba say open your friend Mauricio Sarri or Kanye or no Ankasa Bonhudia say uncle to Juventus that. And I mean, walk off you there. Then Napoli supporters, I'll find reason with them. Nama agree, Nama no more again. Some be friend Mauricio Sarri as somebody who has betrayed them. Nanya Sansonetia and Nadia or Casa uncle to Juventus that he never made that promise. He never said it anywhere. So how do they conclude? Adding into the judgment say and Pop and your friend Sarri or betray. So Napoli supporters, yes, but betrayer and Judas Sarri is not a Judas. He is not a betrayer. This is a golden opportunity to coach the biggest club there is in Italian football, and that is Juve. And your coach is Bebre and a better opportunity. Now you are from manager of Juventus Football Club. He's won title with Chelsea and OGDS of a so come back. Who sent paying for his 60 years? I know baby I could do he's somebody who has been there for ages. We're coaching a lot of air class and to taking decisions say me call Italy, me call coach Juve. Absolutely patron. Nobody can stop Mauricio Sarri. And any idea you and Napoli supporters omonto. In fact, I will share Mauricio Sarri opinion friend Mauricio Pochettino. Tottenham coach unim so no dia wa bon hudia. Say team back bi ho ono on coach da. Na sa team no mpo ye de man na no ko a na eduma e wo ho a and then kobekwa akodo afuom obeko no akwa e farmer e wo ni krom Argentina and sa team no FC Barcelona e say Pochettino team a ono oye Espanyol through and through the first European club or boy Espanyol ofiri Newell's Old Boy Argentina ofiri krom ba Europe Espanyol na the first European club now okobo PSG or Bordeaux and osanko back to Espanyol it is a shempo Pochettino team no ye player osi akai ma omo dodo pa ex-final over 270 matches and the team was spending more years no as a player was ex-final. He spent combined 9 years our team a friend ex-final, and we know ex-final on the FC Barcelona. There's rivalry between them. Ukopiem or the Catalonia region. And Mauricio Pochettino on kind of Baco and on kind of Mienu. Wakane several times that Barcelona he will never coach FC Barcelona. It is a Kobasa Basa for coach. Names of coaches are over drawn also on Mauricio Pochettino. Mamma for the Dinkao. And that's sorry. Now it is a Debbie Pochettino. I call for Barcelona Juma Aya. Then we will say that he has gone back against his own airways, and then their Espanyol fans can say that he has betrayed them. But that is not the case. Now, Patron, one time, person mentioned lastly, I had the story of Frank Lampard to Chelsea, Derby County. What Derby County for Nabaso? 31st October, no more confirm. Frank Lampard as coach of Derby County. Now, patron, the contract, no, and it's how some of these football managers, they look into the future. Predict and a Jumano so motias and yet by chance, and a Derby County echo far Frank Lampard Derby. Adiaway no mope. Say Lampard, our opportunity to become a Chelsea coach, and Tianco Fan Embra. Abra no more coaches, no coaches, experienced coaches, baby, no more, and they be better than Frank Lampard. So why the Derby County echo for Lampard ever? Number one, Lampard a legend of Chelsea, record goal scorer for them. What na Emomo, player Biara, and also na Bresso, Omo the Champions League. And Champions League, was the greatest night of Chelsea Football Club. Sana Juno against Team Efreno by Munich at the Allianz Arena. Obi or Captain Omo, Emomo J. Trophy, was a branch of Frank Lampard. The era of Jose Mourinho, player Mourinho built the Chelsea team around Frank Lampard in a box-to-box play. And he said, Frank Lampard be coach ma Derby County possibility to all pass oya dia maya Chelsea for a corner ball supporters no be ka Chelsea for fan bra and he find the contract him e ko ba say team bi obebo Champions League be Lampard e be £4 million. Patron, this is a contract. And sad we no mudi say and by chance, and yes, team no mudi say it was strategic. This was strategically done. And mudi say Lampard contract and then contract 2018 last year money Lampard signing buy £4 million for coach Frank Lampard. And in fact, Lampard called Derby County boy Juma or do the playoff of where they call Kakabi Kodomo into the EPO, and Tiadibako say Class B SI players there is a lot of reason behind that. When say Chelsea £15 million for Andre Villas-Boas in 2010, 2011, after say Ancelotti Efu Eddie Ekoye, because no mu coach Omukofani Eddie Free baby ebaye Class ni baby oha ube bisa Zidane Real Madrid PS Kasa na my club yo mo fan 0. Pep Barcelona for 3 years Kasa and a man team yo mo fan 0 nothing because no your man kaso mo coach but Chelsea dey no essence Lampard any your team mu nankawe or youth side easy no promote no about be coach no but the sense Derby County for renew in 10 and mama Frank Lampard job no enti no obeko back to the former club talks national here Bibiatres say Frank Lampard would become the new manager of Chelsea Football Club. Na Derby County for no mitucha omo ready hu ye pa say Derby no Lampard Chelsea for be fan into omo di sika and they said that in the contract no Chelsea will take him and they will pay that money to Derby County.
Well, okay. Gary Barra built you know, but most of bread now so long about community.
Yeah, Ken, may touch on Chelsea Frank Lampard, any name and moving. This is a name and moving the biggest issue all over the weekend. I'm very much interested. Also, Ken, there might be what interesting to say. 2 years ago, name and movie called PSG, and I was one presenter, and I make us but I was saying, call for answer and I say, no, few say, beer. May pro Barcelona name a call a yeah, but that was not the case. Now, make Barca. Well, it depends. It depends on where you are. Say, or no call for Champions League. Quarter final from to make good. Into the mamma can say, now me predict to the future. Say, in fact, the NTM funny name after so free, and the question is why. So honor funny, yeah. Why does he want to move? I'm fat. And the didn't name for the name funny say. Talent and a name I want. And your French league in a nice move. Because stars in the French league, it move back either Spain or England. Well, or more big players, they rather move out. Into what we star of Spain already, not star of well, star of Brazil already. Okoha Enfa. The anti-Enfa is a one. Opposition now will face no more weak. Again, league and Ankasano ain't yet too strong and ain't yet too rigged to say the other leagues. Into the monkey play by sizes. Again, level view how we drew crowd down for 4 befana is almost one different level. And yes, sir, only on crowd now move to take a decision. Because decision I will be taking will be back to the war from not the acquire confusion. So it wasn't really gonna help. And again, it's a sha. Neymar bought only 58 games in 2 years now, my PSG. And out of 58, the Ken was 51 goals. Because I believe in statistics. Because with the statistics, the money is mature talk, and then you dispute it. We bought 58, I say 51. I said, why you can't come. It is a fact. So I down. It can't say, who shall name a crowd there? Pay matches our body goals, our shamom. And I'm when we need 5 trophies. But the attendant say, oh, shall league, you know. Yeah, we can over about 36 matches. In the 2 seasons, 36, no. I say 38 and 8, I say amount by 76 matches. Neymar only 37. League out of 78. Uria Caps, no, he has played only 4. In as many, my main fans are at least 10 cry. That's why only 40%. Now, over Europe and why they were about 13 out of a possible 16, 17. And clearly, what it means that Senko to me ball at the Snibby Bra, the team would have done better than now. But what him say Neymar in the first 5 years, no mpra. Neymar first 5 years can mpra or bonny ball. But 2 years now call PSG, no. A prano subeba as a timer. Key game I buy as a Neymar bomber Martin no cannot name a pra. Clearly, it's Unsha exactly what is happening. Oh, okay,
that's a player in the two room. That's what it is. So that player go on
It's clearly a man in your inti over 100 games. Men fan say 2 years in all come to use France or ball caps in me, you know, and send a super cup in the league in champion. Men fans 100 matches. Na name a bomb 58. Into about 50.8%.
Into about 58 and I say 51.
51.
Hey, I don't watch all my
That's the name of Barcelona one season. I think he scored 39 to 40. That the highest in the to go or go pa. Neti keep sa washer. Nasa El Khaliafi. And then ma Edison Cavani scasa on Gina name and more penalties war PSG. No more Yaman and Niaja. Didn't never ban then Nasa El Khaliafi. Beba out publicly to criticize Neymar and want to sell him. Next, the relationship, no, I break it down. That is one aspect. And why? The entire person ma Neymar corner say up to 2020, Omon say Mbappe between me the star of the team because age on Mbappe side he's 20, Neymar is 27. Good. And Mbappe no so acquire French boy, and a PSG so acquire French team. Into acquire so okay. The next ABR from 2020 ABR 2025 aircon. The possibility say Mbappe babe the star of the world football ever because currently we are calling on your mobile potential so but obi to me enkosa e betumi abese Mbappe so betumi afole alba we say na ekona it is an net dia PSG person omo rebuild it because one reason back when they say City and Neymar ne Tuchel omo are very close very close than even the board members but when Unai Emery were on sir Neymar was closer with the board than Unai. Into a more feel says, see, I don't need Tuchel, Abeye one. Ebiana, where Jam Horn and see, or you more Ediama. One area a home. What it told you, the project Nankaso Motor is not growing. Because the project was say PSG MBA force in Europe. Because ever France, there, even Ibrahimovic, Monet, Cavani, Munana trophies or Mujibia. By Europe, no so no. A bedroom baby a dim partner on being here name, but the Neymar is not out. So it means that that project is not also going on well. No lack of identification, and then they say, yet on Neymar 222 million. But Neymar is no more happy. And clearly king so be here Juma and no ya de no nya happy de won mu entodwa entodwa wo ya hwan entodwa because Juma na bibia ye king wo the happiness na ye
but send the case in the pra time no do a match here na never could pray
enye prank I saw your story say on PSG players they bring us
but on the pitch and I don't think so disappointing especially in the Champions League we have almost touchable free and all banner games against Liverpool more they know your money but the point is
but they lost
2 big games in
he played Neymar standard no oh standard now was set no Neymar mo yes our players na on bobo man ka say we hwie dem king what ma say say ne ball the on bobo man ka say oh we hwie wa anya hwe ne standard in the obebo but the is about the team is leading and what you'll be able to put the team to become one of them because he's one of me see we Messi and Ronaldo free one Neymar no player come close to him clearly he's the player of what potential I said it over years say the potential no what he can so develop here cry hope be think of 2 way because the qualities near absolutely incredible but it depends on how ne papa no e betumi manage no and masa financial fair play no so ya issue the money here issue ni say since I was a PhD they under investigations wait sika no mu yidi to Neymar na dey mu yidi to Mbappe I'm not saying say or my body but I say UEFA are still investigating them into what they are trying to do right now they say omanisa delete king so what I say and omanisa Mbappe because they know say they will build a team for future and a player almost pay Coutinho omamon ka so omo pe Dembele the player omunyo mbepe so ye Coutinho into on so omo dey way more ba no more building a team for the next 4 or 5 years no be a bigger force because over the next 4 or 5 years Neymar is 27 now so it'll be about 32 can you understand and the one reason I'm a Neymar super so moving is say since Hazard about Real Madrid it's also a factor the entire say so we Messi Ronaldo rivalry in free one the other rivalry and KSC Yenyan a Hazard Neymar clearly although we mono abba change na ma 2 players age na akosoro bank omo na ye players here say we take you over from we they take you over from we Hazard move no move about Real Madrid possibility of winning the Ballon d'Or na higher and brighter Neymar needs to also move and the German Barcelona any bring gidi nyina onim so omo na Antoine Griezmann agreement too but they are prepared for agreement on between cancel no more compensating for Neymar to move. Anytime Real Madrid goes in for a big fish, Barcelona would have to respond. So Bekaya. Omo kofa Cristiano Ronaldo so Bekaya.
Okay.
And almost so kofa Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Because of the rivalry no omo one. Barcelona will also want to counter Hazard because Hazard ban by wajidi 50,000 akore. It is the answer there. Yes, the name abeba na 8 akore. No marker so okay. Yeah, Barcelona for and say Barcelona for almost idea. That is what they are trying to do. It's me move way no me sanction that move no na me menya nkobon fa Coutinho enka ho ne mo munja Dembele because Dembele so younger it's a be as time goes on he might develop because on developing way Coutinho there menya so ujai team ne man so no nkwan fa kin obetumi afa de abo it's name man as a Messi ni wa obetumi abo no before me feel say e very good and na ball Spain ball ne the level no was we got players e Spain no kina no dey
na Premier League so you so you one bia come and the ball there but Papa Sly yeah senior Sly once I'm wrestling because I'm wrestling and so one day I say to me bro
yeah be man call for me na
I'm wrestling I mean just say wa basam edum ko
I'm wrestling enye
do am no say wo no e bia na body
no okay wa basa so chairman ma so
ayere keke oh there's some okay
na ke me ne Perry to when I am wrestling na ke one e be
so baso we Asante challenge on na Jonathan Sans na me out on Saturday
okay
na me out on Saturday I hope we need to more abobo the back you hear na ke so ya so ensar
eno ne here I born here
I dey come face patron I got here
we ne ga ba de obi am
I say
that's all fit
I'm wrestling or more advices and yes I'm about yes na more contest or more be week so imagine what so much is to me so Jonathan says me say Saturday no Papa Sly mo organizers no mo hear mama Because omo ye no omo say obegina wa na aye wi ye wa
omo be say mo ha
o he na ni ma na onsa no mu eye wi
omo mo say mo ha no na obe say mo odudi aken
o we timi
e de wo he oba bia ni ma he oba bia ni ma
na what it say what Gareba na Maswenka ma me fan to just say obe the champion and obe the home fanity since about 2 days in a month obe the rest or pro ni bring 5 come
okay nema de hwe nanim
never even
Barcelona
say
anake
I will only play as well
Champions League we da chibi so ama
Suarez ne was in the also lose 3 kilos
you need a player in situation that is crucial. Big games, not the main boss na intimia. Now aba. In the Champions League, he played 6 games. Or say 5, no, he had 2 assists.
They were champions.
They were champion this season.
Maybe Barcelona for Menchoma because 222 no. Omo de kakra kan won fa Dembele ne Coutinho. Omo de nem fai. But there be omo no kan name no OPH na sem.
Yeah.
Name na omo ono OPH no omo kan asem. Sika na omo je no omo de koto omo bae no. Kanu so mfa.
Ken dey ahoya. We second obi.
So,
ahoya. We
say hazard be adwuma no.
Ahoya.
Kasi ko dia fi mu be de pa.
So ya te.
De hazard.
Ken Barcelona no Real Madrid. Who hazard ne Barca match na omo ball no new camp. Na so omo ball da.
Ya we say wa ba.
Na me say classico dia. Who Moreno esu ball. 5. Okay, Ronaldo more border. Until Ken classico dia to boss. Na say ya de Vinicius ye nyina say show.
Come me dey na Jordan Henderson mo. E fan fin wo no dey. Na me hazard dey obi ku bi. Jordan Henderson mo. Anya Vanado mo.
Da boni wo.
Classico is a different ball game. Ken me kwa nti ye hwe nanim. Ye hwe nanim pa I want 10 wow. But an idea me person me hwe ne say in just some few days to the AFCON. Yebina, the Warriors of Zimbabwe against the Pharaohs of Egypt. I will carry International Stadium. Me share the injury of Kama Billiard and how Zimbabwe are unlucky when it comes to the AFCON. Because Zimbabwe by AFCON their first time in 2004. And about 2006, about 2017, and at this time almost ever. Only unlucky because only a country almost by AFCON now. Group I do almost to group straight away who group and I know someone qualify. Their first time in 2004, no more Egypt, Cameroon, Algeria group, in 2006, they were in the group of Ghana, Senegal, Nigeria, 2017, Walid Kasande and Kamabili at what for me, Pano, Mojides at least, on meeting me, make a mention. Ye group near the Oma to Tunisia, Algeria, Senegal group.
Kamabili at ma tetenense ma menya time shall and the ball ye pa. Born or bros, on African standard.
Only Africa standard, only Bopa. Only
come up here at no South Africa. You almost see Pajano or Muliginum no. Only Bopa. Only Bop. Oh, my time I ran a crabat. Only Bopa.
South Africa leg level. And the only more.
I African local level now, and I say, oh, had a border. You go pay on a pace it out.
Oh, that will be that when you pace it out.
South Africa so pace it out.
Okay, in LFC. Listen, no time when I be there to work Melody Sanders, not pace it away.
Send you a film.
Oh, there be in that time in America. You know, maybe a champion of Majako. Now, what's a way to say we are champion to me? No,
that's what makes me a baby to record.
Melody Sanders, one person on the Champions League. Their team was Leandro Castro. Come up with and Kigandoli. That time, let it about a look Kigandoli crowd.
So the Philippine first.
And okay, and I say a class. A class in the Yakawa. And I'm seeing
because of course, especially in South Africa, more deeper.
Yeah, of course. They hide their players very well.
Why are consistent? Why are consistent? And you have one more results in the South African League. And I was a South African League because once the year, Malawi, Zimbabwe, players don't so and yes, and all those players around, only one player was very key. Mamelodi Sundowns after the Champions League were few Kaizer Chiefs. And still outside the results so much. Even in the Champions League, in the Confederation Cup, still him alone. None of the balls when came. So when a 2 million con in mobile park team, how they value such player in the Bafana. Now still Udini Belgro all the times. It tells you the kind of quality such player is. And they came per the Africa standard. Onyanko Europe, Intimen Fanenko. But per the Africa standard, he's one of the key players who can the African game and you know how the PSL is rated in Africa. Into a player now near rated so high. Now I are consistent. Now say my results are obedient me on value. In the case the American United, Zimbabwe has always been unlucky. Which groups share this particular time? Dr. Congo, Uganda, and Egypt. Group Mono. It is so clear. So what check the performance of these teams are. Zimbabwe will not qualify. Because so what for Dr. Congo on Monday, Africa Cup net twice. Back on Egypt no Egypt boni. And about commercial Ghana Nigeria. The last time we by AFCON, they were in the group of Morocco, Togo, and the elephant of La Côte d'Ivoire. Tell me about the chance and the coffee see us and never. See, I can't say Côte d'Ivoire qualify with easy. We know my friend. And in that group, I can't overboard that group. Now still Dr. Congo with Cedric Bakambu in that team now. Omodi difference with the Ivorian team of Sergio Aurier, Eric Bailey, Frank Kesse, and all those players, Jean-Michel Seri and Siri Die. With that setup, now still Dr. Congo team let me qualify ahead of them. Or let me qualify ahead of a Moroccan team. You know what did you almost say? Giving the opportunity on the same platform on a good day. Only one of the favorites for this particular campaign. It tells you how Dr. Congo at this particular type. Only a favorite. But almost history behind them. And recently they've been consistent. The last time Ghana and the EU film. And with the kind of experience Ghana were in the AFCON, Dr. Congo in as much as all Mashi Ajibidano. You see, we showed to them and say we were better than them in the AFCON. And this particular time, Omoni or my friend is Zimbabwe in the whole group. Omoni Egypt, almost tries at this particular time. So what you for coach now, said you agree. Or say, this particular time, so when me and the AFCON are king of every time. The last time Egypt bought AFCON, no more coach will do finance on your cap. Into Obioni Heta Raul Cooper from Valencia. Playing the Champions League final with Real Madrid. Omulusu by 3 goals to 0. That was Star Louis II. Will tell you say it's a coach only winning cap in the final. Same coach Sabo final against Bayern Munich. That was San Siro. I ended in penalties. Bayern Munich 8 into 2 finals in the UEFA Champions League. It was so clear. Say meeting an experienced team, he will struggle. The same thing on Saturday 2017 AFCON. In the game against Cameroon, no Pierre say Egypt a favorite. But in that game, coach your friend Heta Raul Cooper and Samwa and Sama Egypt for the AFCON. And at this particular time, Egypt are playing the AFCON at home. And it is so clear. With Mo Salah, you don't expect anything from Egypt. Oma host to Congo 4-way, Akakodi be from Munsenda. But you can't time and again say 4 times no Oma host no matter. So it will be difficult for you to say Obesho at home. And we have Zimbabwe, the Warriors, in this particular time. Almost say Rome with their top player. Omo knowledge Musonda or Omo did you almost say. So what we Peter Ndrova, he's the next player in the Zimbabwe national team. Omo did you and he's the captain of the side. With the form of the Roman, Omo did you so betting your boy. But I feel that the presence of Kama Billiard it will be very key for the success of the Zimbabwe national team.
Okay.
And that is what I'm expecting in the half.
We want to hear South African and Zimbabwe star players. Okay?
Now,
oh, so man be our me come in mind.
And I'm say okay.
Me want some na make.
And I'm still so stars. Me two was okay. Me two was now.
Ah,
oh yeah, dear.
The democrat my.
Oh my dear.
Pesi tawo ne come on.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Me two was some me say. Ya ka Zimbabwe national team. On form time in AFCON. Zat me ba okay on me. Me can me so the so na me oppose.
Okay.
South Africa after 1996 almost almost AFCON almost ba and Ghana almost ba almost do semi final in 2000. They only add up to numbers. And Tawasha, South Africa after Benny McCarthy, after Sean Bartlett, and after Quentin Fortu, so we see Zuma. Omunya play a beer, we see a kind in the outside league, also class. And it's so clear that they will deal with those players. Omokoba World Cup, and you see Chabalala and Katalego Mpela. Ben attack am. Nti the Bafana na Bafem nti Ken. You don't compare these countries with Ghana. Yeah level on Egypt for Cameroon, Nigeria. Nti ya now dey ekoko yeah.
Cameroon kona me but sa Nigeria for ye Chakwueze akra na even say Chakwueze.
They all Villarreal.
Akwa na de mmere bi me hu ye pa de sa na obebo nde hu. Once African football no wo bi achi a. Otim do to line achi. Ya, ofun do wo fa achi na mo ye. Ono ne ball no wo so.
Na Ken wo play ara oba bi asa won kan asa. Ahmed Musa.
Ahmed Musa de seriously me Ghana ye wa Ahmed Musa e bi anka ajibi. I'm telling you.
Oh, good. The near thing.
Tournament.
Once
I need a card, what bag as
I had no idea.
I don't want to do about for bare 4 years. I know actually 2 goals.
2 goals.
Yababa, we know a goal.
Yes.
Only a nothing place.
And it came
On to me more, baby.
I said, only team national team. Maybe I don't mean
Hey, what was your father? You're near bro. I never. You will be about the star player. You say your chance.
Town.
Your chance.
It didn't cry in the cup.
I'm a billion.
It didn't cry in the cup.
Stars Mustas.
Yes.
There was Stars Mustas. There was Samoja, your party. Your Kujua Samoa. Your day, your Christian, Jordan, and you. Did your cousin ever work? Oh, what? Nelson.
Ken where the news get to ready. And say I still here. South Africa said no Okado Okane back to 98. Oh mama had the up to numbers. Almost over had the leading the final.
And
they were in the final.
Yes. Only Egypt in the ball.
Benny Matat crying at you, okay.
One count on one count in it.
Player go need you place.
Ghana.
Then fortune,
Quentin
Fortune.
They're not from Manchester United.
I'll be a man a prek will be a Michiano. I feel like Ghana, your friend will control for you. Control for you. No, now, bro, for to you. If you're a man a prek,
Nigeria for me Musa na so.
Hey, can on some back what
Galo soba. Say do sa stage na sa Musa. And so you players now when also you drew kakaka.
Tournament player.
I try so the all Leicester midfielder no ba.
Indeed.
Yeah, indeed.
Mo dey work as mo be.
Sir,
can news no my family. I see guys offer free places on stars.
oh, but I see
Compared to other countries.
Na o ma me o ka se no. Ana na wo ka Zimbabwe na about South Africa. And I say o bo player din PC Tower ne Kama Bay. I'm so when is that ya bro. Yeah was so pa.
say bi mo yes.
Say we mo no because we mo no
so we stars. You was stars, me you was superstars.
We be fata wo mo.
Yes.
Where for
We Jordan Khalid Kuba mo Kamabili ato.
Kama Bay that mo PC Tower. I fata wo yes South Africa ni ankote wa. See ya.
Hey, sana wo hu na. Ye de omo
Kamabili ati tempo for na bo mo di no kan bo ma o. Khalid Kuba
ne.
ye be bo de
Connection.
Friday,
Congo for you be ba no man draw mo ti.
This Salah about. This Salah about say come
Obi about say who born now say yes ball dey through. Come Cameroon for the buy. We can't do money and for man here. I feel the born there about to say go for bread.
Okay, unko.
Is that me at Ghana you dey. What can you cry no in come as.
Oh, mate.
So that break I can go do them matter. So omu wan jo me dia me
na that say bukem with the akin the Ghana for no was some wins. Say unko ye ma unka sem bia.
I na ye bobo mo
say ya record o.
Anko ye.
Say Ghana team say ona ye PR. Sasa.
Ndene na muka say be koyi.
Say dey here. Ye dey here dey be ko. Say how na ye PR ma Black Stars ayate. Ma anko here dey ma unka he.
Yeah, tournament player.
Oh yes, oh share team by team.
Yeah, tournament players be two. They are you a tournament player.
Christian
a tournament player.
Even a Samoja cry.
And a Christian a true. And what AFCON. Me me dey be toto salam.
Yeah.
And what AFCON.
Yeah.
And that's all about me. Salam about me. Me me tum dey na toto say AFCON Africa abo aye body. Yeah. One is
Ghana no.
Says Tatiana.
Yeah, bad. So we team say bad teams are bad. Yeah, bad. But yeah, standard.
I'm the Omo Sam, picture no crowd quality, quality.
You free first round already.
We are champion, we African.
You free first round I can't obey.
We African, yeah, woman.
Oh, maybe sir.
Cameroon game the can
Can I be
Bibi atu
go find and go for? Didn't get penalties.
na they get penalty come on.
What do you mean go?
Get there you there okay. Penalty ya.
So tournament dey kwa ebe wi no.
E ba se penalty no bi boss en nti ono bo sha so.
Tournament player.
Me nka.
Oh, how many goals? One seven.
Wa se 8.
Let's go.
Only Jan na she 8
goals
goals.
Asamoah so we go.
Yeah.
No waka so be for that.
Akapi.
Na I choose aje best player o.
Maintain sort of how can be say that.
Oh, Cap. It is coming home.
Oh,
Hey, football is coming.
Why do you sit up and adia?
African football is
after
coming.
Cameroon game now, person say no.
That's it.
It's coming on there. On the buy and there.
King. Yeah, ni Cameroon go here. And I'm out for me say Ghana team here do.
See how na ba ko na ekobo am here almost.
Anytime you go AFCON bia amanfo ni gidie
Me one say you for year free me Cameroon for year free na for I can once na ya nyade. Na no we almost say you boss.
Yeah, I was that. Yeah, we
Cameroon for say you wie. Omo nyina kutro mko.
I'm a
Me bo. Yeah na Cameroon for say na you.
No, Ghana de ba ko e boy na respect.
Yeah, born na yeah born.
Yeah.
Omo gina go no mo.
It's an here. Ghana is a Germany or Europe. Obia respect here. Ya nya de kwa
semi-final Ghana in
but
1-0.
No say
final.
Yeah.
Who's all show say Ghana?
Show Pokwa Jaman pa.
Ah, no Ghana. On your injury. Pokwa Jaman the injury.
Na say Gedo so ahira nti he kwa one.
Why?
Gedo the obese so Oboria odunipi no wedi so Oboria no yira one.
No do that.
Ana Gedo no wedi
Now
say.
we
Your boy Gedo.
Cameroon for ati ase tu no ken ka bo se ase mo ha.
Gedo.
Na ke for mo say you two dey. Almost you two dey.
Na group games no. Bebre ya na etie po no ya na rap ya.
Na be one say yeah.
Tournament.
Say we ya, you tournament.
Yes, slow status.
Yeah,
Yes, slow status.
No, but your tournament, the Ghana the tournament yeah
the first 3 matches
because Ozana make us a consistently a semi-final tuntu make us a team win ye by mom yen so ye hia cup ni bi no ne dia aka but ye third semi-final yeah it's a Germany
let's avoid more magic cup ni bi da
You be sure. We sure ma over avoid no more now. We sure more chance. It do sure more prepare.
da bia ya ko ya ni bia ya Congo for no Mali for no sa omo
but that team sing as ya show bi ado ya show bi
match of me match synopsis from 1994
yeah
94 Cote d'Ivoire for the share
yeah sure
96 South Africa 98 they qualified from group cra 2002 South Africa from 2000
yeah
South Africa from the share
yeah
2002 Garbalawa 2006 title
yeah and they say in Mbonti no team kitwa bi am to me
say to na ba Ghana is Nigeria one there
yeah one
and your course semi final na Cameroon for their 2 year level come near court 2010 Egypt for na come Burkina for no sa na
who's the teams win na yenso ya show more but here they won't count
maso asema American
hey in between
they can your me free
very good
and I say Ghana
and also try say Ghana ye nimbo it's team it's a team tantan na kitwa bi antumi nyi Ghana
na say me Canada
no they say oh my yes you respect kakra and say obeti dey make because send your workers the teams obey you be a cathedral it means you are a cathedral
but now games na
yeah bad
we replay again
We should replay now.
only a year here lack
Lack
ball na you film ni
lack.
against Cameroon what is go back and watch
me who Ghana
me who
Ghana lack na e fa here all lack Ghana
Ghana any lack
tana me tell
against
the lack of one level
now one country penalty tournament penalties as to team
ye ni mo ya
one body in
ye what for enya
one body in our trouble na so we lose
penalty for enya lack
now what prevent you so be boss
enti you hear like
penalty ye fa lack na bo ye the technique na bo ye ni bo
aso for ne
Imam for only
country bi asofo ho imam ho 10 dey emfa ball ni em kobo Cameroon imam for ho asofo
Cameroon ye me omo na last year omo je ko omo na je cup we players no bop lack omo akwati kakaka no go no ko share no kra bo we na
pressure na dey no ba
and I must refer say go man then
Go back believe. Bro for crack.
yeah the lack na ball for no ball
back
yeah the lack is
I must say go man then
and then me wo e bi asafu wi me wa
asafo
King from Enua na me didi nkomo bi e wo Dubai na what's the time Asani wo as a PR to me interview players no dia ba wo crowd meal no Asani bi but dan ko ku yabo anura me didi nkomo say identity
done na kwa mbari ako
done
kwa mbari ako general
oh general PR of the Black Stars and done captain King. I'm told, say, players one person me that go be a boy.
So I am
I'm feel say some time back, not the backlash of a conference a lash players in the back no. Now it was too much.
I don't think so Dan the area against the players. It's against the federation.
Me internet na
me Dan kakra. At that time, you know, Crescena attached to me, but it was against federation. No, certain almost run your money. But yes, I say it was against players, footballers.
Yeah,
it's footballer. No, you man
say footballers no feel say. Now it was an agenda against a particular administration. Done to me, I approach players no interview. It's a one no funny phone. No any voice note and a Black Star for you training. Omuda pool. And that's your car. And then your car. But architects no more or ye or Muka. They said, Dan and no idea matter. Can I
do?
Maybe.
Okay. Go back, Brandam and Tom Kaka.
Yeah, patron. Once again, Mecca on Unity winning tournaments. Now Unity a Boama Team BJ tournament.
Okay.
The other dynamic interview of Thierry Henry on Arsenal, a crown of Faso, a year invincible in 2003-2004. In fact, that interview is readily available on the internet. You can Google it, and Thierry Henry was one of the key proponents of that Arsene Wenger and the team. The first one, the first thing was that unity. They were united. And this open so say how unity a Boama team be. No matter the quality of the team, no matter how good their coach, on also you're the best tactician. If you cannot assemble a united team, that your tactical genius is useless. And Thierry Henry say, Arsenal football no more bono. So onupo ne benya ball no na Robert Pire in the right position to score. Obe ball the amano no ase. Onye selfish. Ose say Freddy Ljungberg in a good position now. Obele pass no Ediama no was a goal no Ediama Arsenal. Say Abranti friend Dennis Beckham obe pass ball no Ediama na was a goal no Ediama Arsenal. It just five says Thierry Henry. Onu ena ye kanka Arsenal. On obi obe she goal ba Arsenal obe fight for golden boot na e ono. Nso se derby. Saturday na omo ye no and a ball mo timi call a whole football season in the English Premier League unbeaten. Importance of air unity. Patron say team na players no where you a problem with the other no matter how you do no matter the quality enkonkosi. Now typical example Algeria team no the other day utie the Abranche friend Mehdi Abeid Babo Ntebeka was in terms of technique gifts football gifts Algeria for players in the last few years obi enu wanya bi ese Algeria team no na many no kwem say wo hwe Algeria team or the bar 2017 AFCON good stage informant man qualify anko ukita Abranche friend Riyad Mahrez ukita Nabil Bentaleb Ejinam the likes of Abranche friend Baghdad Buneja Rice Mboli Fauzi Gulam at left back. I mean patron she team no talent and kita team friend Algeria. Yassin Brahimi at Porto over the years always in the Champions League. And in terms of quality, ni brilliance obi anu ano obi Algeria team no. And it's over say tournament no all the bookmakers Algeria favorite but they couldn't qualify from the group stage. That is the importance of a united front. Milovan Raiba for Algeria. Omo to boot bono. In fact, in the selection way, players or man to me in the starting lineup room, obi in boot a channel eto bomilo atiko. Adentia. Because team Nankasano no team maintaining up the unity. Said this is a team. obiara de ope e Algeria team no enti se Ibrahim odi ni to bench en ho asempa na wo se Arab from the yo motie no wo coach mpo o motie be no mo didi watem so mo le wo ntra Arab ye be yo pa enti be sa na wo coach no you lose your concentration so Ibrahim so start it now fa buneja ambo se bentalab na do bet na beja wo san wasem. So what we call unity na any Algeria team no. But Algeria team na ekita no. Cameroon needs a talent no patron. Zambia team of heaven na. She team na ekita na any team abeka so more technically gifted players that be no munnibi. You see every na and you say every na or a sort of Claude Roy. And you saw a CK Danfili no ndru omo level no. And you saw a Badu Zaki bi. And I say, or a Fauzi Benzati be no every night, Nisa, because now conference be a social point coaching a panel. I call 2 times French League and on Timmy Jumo, you go on Timmy. But Oba Africa, I did back every night making sure and say, what steady African players now who say, Ego and African teams, no, and the ultimate solve war, then you are closer to the trophy. Until we shall call Zambia no. Shady of course say Zambia team no. He built a solid A team. Team our mobile team say ampa when we a compact. Until the team of Zambia for sure where you are free in the 2012 African Cup of Nations. They didn't have the better team than the Blasters, no. Or Zambia no money better team and the Les Elephants of la Côte d'Ivoire, no. Or do the finals, no. In fact, that tournament, no, 2012, Ivory Coast and considered a single goal in that tournament. A man lose a single match. Patron so kaye papa. Openye fan François Zahoui. On na ye coach of Ivory Coast. O de mo ko e. O mo kita ya tuwe. Didier Drogba e home. Ya wo kwasi jefe. Ebu enum Ataboka. The likes of DJ Zokora, Romaric. Team o mo de ko enye Boubacar Bari. A man consider a single goal Ivory Coast in that tournament. But you call penalties and a Zambia for Eddie Ewini. So say ushe in football, idea friend a unity. Idea this is the way it can help and it can make a team. So why you team ni in area no? Now I say ukita players or more for me. Say unity and new patron. Untimi ko enim da. And it has been proven over the years. She France team on be failure of 2010 World Cup. Team ade kitomo. Open your friend Romain Dominic. The Romain Dominic is on history. Also intimate maintain dressing room in football. You can be coach the ulusu dressing room. Not just a failure airban no. You can say then ulusu dressing room just a unity and new hop. Pep Guardiola is successful because when he takes a decision, it is final, and always he makes sure there is a united front. Jose Mourinho Casabia. So what's Mourinho team so kwa? He makes sure dressing room is the own lusu da. The moment I be lusu dressing room no, oko park no place no, can we so biara kwa kwa di open. But coach ultimately maintain a team on we very united. He's able to motivate them no. O player no kwa o agopama no so a, o make sure say oh yeah dey be bo team no because onim say o coach bi o bench wa, o jimi a o be you free. Ah, na nye Mourinho le ko bench e, openye friend no Casillas or Real Madrid. Casillas go on to bench. Pep Guardiola, hey, decisions that were taking the teams that were had 2 years at Barcelona, at Manchester City, over the years. And coaching a team to win a tournament, no patron. My experience and being closer to coach, Warren Afcon Libida, Claude Roy, unity is very, very important.
Okay, well,
now we can lack.
Yeah, Maswa.
Yeah, Ken.
Fafa Winnie Brand.
Yeah.
We are not some few minutes now. We are like it now.
Me was simple. Me and some born a crack. But I'm confronting me. And some big course of Ghana ha. King journalist will be anchor. Nay, I din. But me much to America. Yeah, King. How's not gonna go boy? We in some business here. A absolute nonsense. A absolute me who word no. A crazy, I mean, you see the word, absolutely crazy. And if you say in the 21st century, Sa colloquial na obsolete in class.
That's what come out and
Kin me ba. I was saying
example no do so na you do light na.
Kin of Mate. Asami asem panty light in ko. Kin then America.
Minutes like was.
Kwame.
Example no ya do so can you do light here. I just what you be at my wedding at.
Kin. Masam ne say. Anke Kwame Banu akon. Oye den. Domestic League Committee Chairman. Domestic League Committee Chairman. There's a league near Bo Ghana has this year and the ends on the chairman. Has no got a bob boy we. Now what blasters come now jubilate. No, me person me what is the meaning?
What is wrong with that?
There is absolutely everything wrong about it.
Their
money here wrong there. A chance on Rangas and Yadio BFA, a man or you to me, own to me, a more fun to.
And that's a foul.
Efa
because on your referee.
Hey, Efa
on your referee. On your referee. Or support a football club. Why say young allowed
Premier League chairman?
I don't support your
Daddy, it's wrong. Per position no kutana wrong. Una we domestic league committee chairman. It's a competition organizing you are the chairman. And the one team winning or be our team. You go publicly and do videos and share to the country rejoicing. Come on. Come on. Kent, and you Ghana and that's also.
Maybe or you need to more support it. And the team why you Juma Hoda.
At that point,
yes. And all year Juma. I know you are going to say so you're professional, so we see want to be. But it's time says we are saying. I say allow ni pamo be our support to the oil. So far as on one influence game no. One influence.
How will you know? Jubilation is that baby or bet to influence game. I'm not talking against us or talking against Kotoko. So who jubilate king? Send me or jubilate here. What is the meaning?
The meaning.
Oh, so yeah, king. So you'll be or what baby? Accept a born a year competition in Nano. On a year chairman for the domestic league committee.
Maybe I'll say, maybe Premier League on Bobona. Most of the committees, I quite remember I do baby now. Aircrafts have been paying for the bina. He did the whole Serbia on the chair. Serbia mobile on the penny. So be video, so be say, Obi and himself, man, a genuine work.
Yeah.
And you know, and they take decisions on referees. And your mom for referees. So this is my team, my winning. We are supporter on your okay. When you're happy, so watch a video. But I don't know, intimate to me say, Obia or yeah, you may be found a capacity be Obiano. And say, yeah, tears say, Ufi baby, no more. And it's a team winning or celebrate here.
You are digging out by getting in a fat. I can OTA the Alpe be able to marry with your life by getting in a fat.
Point in the say.
This is the point.
Meeting me, Mamma Niaji.
Very good. Because
point in the say, but I read you so. Dear ASME, and yet you're two different.
That is the point.
Or your video, or your video is different from so about tonight. Not all year,
the same thing. I say, that be the same because all your man go for what they also your man go for it, the same thing. Video no, so I need them no, there is nothing wrong. The money here probably a video no, the bad one because also you are to them go for. He's demonstrating. Say two things there, boy, not supported back. Where you're wrong. Can their money here wrong? They say. What their money? Yes, their money here wrong. They say. Position na okutano. Can so what I say? On the domestic league committee chairman, they say competition here board domestic on the year chairman. So if the chairman say impo or your house ni, enanka ebi a house ashe kotoko no su jubilate ya, you're wrong. And yes, I support kotoko na mental obi a motibo support, but you're wrong. King security service no are they no Ghanaians? Yet to about omo to be omo ni party. I didn't think omo nchire baby on party because I saw omo my pepe eba. And no to no to omo secret ballot no. Into what he did is wrong. Because of the position of what. But so ye kotoko. For example, Mr. Kobina Yeboah.
Mr. Kobina Yeboah. Correct Maxo. I adult committee omoti. And I know you're chairman, but omoti committee we are omodo omo enim dia na advice omodo be ma ensino your TV committee ye gun.
He still was still he has worked with them. He's still an official.
It is the same no ni position.
It doesn't change anything. He has still worked with the committee tournament here called Kauni say. So it doesn't change anything. Mr. Kobina Yeboah or no a journalist king. Competition here born one can. He's his own journalist. Over and over no I cast all your kotokoni. If Mr. Kobina Yeboah jubilating na fair. Timasem na make an say. But one competition na ye can who can na mwashishem. You don't jubilate. So or your house in penny. And no quiet, sir. Memman is fire no. I'm not against all your kotokodi there. But be our team up. Kings obi kwa betu and so your house, maybe kwa na come no kotokodi. How will you know? But the reality is I'm not against it. But position no Gina to say or no. And the come on mashisha competition weighing now. Now would jubilate no was I video de the world. Na e country be a yes serious and get panel. Again, can you ready? Baby, am I issue crying?
Oh, yes, why fair to
I'm more than fair. Now, me the way to almost say fair. Since you over here, and your blast as a man on quay, and your my man on quay. Is it important?
So, why did you more?
And your my what the national team need the call to hold our watchers on mine over left or right, Anna. Can you say represent Ghana? A hold our watchers say Ufri North, Ufri South, Anna. Is it important? Say once a year, or be free not to be free, so be free beginning. But you say represent or minor. Work for the nation. Since you are the Okoye, you know, actually so for baby. What about if players need to decide? Sir, okay, young fan say last example ni. Young fan say Samoa Jaya kotokoni. And a Jan house in the fan is how. It's a ball we no. Na Jan jubilate. Oh ya say. And a ebia de so called car send so masa wash chef was never done in Tokwanka then I'm the car. It's a important okay. And yet, and Uncle Fon Crom Cobon, you so stadium when I see a sakium. So, mo be ye okumasia. Meme ya sakium. Because King says so obi ani oh so obi din kuku. Na na ni brea. O say you say a hungry man no is an angry man. It's in ya ho na obebo bibi ehuru nipa no. Yes I to me the nyoma ba say e ya ha na si ya nkam I will condemn it. It's not because yenni has in free mo. Na yen hwe say two big things are bobo. Obi ni home will lose. Wo MC ni DJ no MC no na adwuma ho any say it's only go and do announcement me boy you into the speaker sounds so Jacob Jams no we are not there okay and no party do adwuma mo say wo so na omada e king omada ti omada uhuru nipa no bo nipa na mo ya send for no mo ohu ba bi odni trifa omo say nyum na yes back in e man here the bam say ye kwa ni me drew media San your money, yan limited. Because game they are bonefe, but San your money to me day. But a bakwami ban you aquadia why no. The king only mean I about me 1 point pa. Because in a also acquire blasters camp. And a gaba so unity to win the cup. Into yes, a unity in a be free. It was a place on Mubete too. You bring a house blasters, Kotoko blasters, Nampen for the house and penny for Kotoko and penny for no Marco Kwan here free my better, 150 million Marco Blue. I know my start here.
And the bread,
on a new and one I make kind of but now can I sorry. And your house, and your Kotoko share and no more body. Almost started, me call stadium. We could do stadium 12-20. We could do a no more volume. Into much I see a bonum side because now stadium why a door. Into much I see a bonum side of the key and USD for no, but occupies our city hall. Even almost almost German as in the class or more bonum.
And don't they still be loose or something?
But I was a came make up.
So I lose you.
Mason make up.
No supporters in it.
Okay, football. And then and you and carry. So, more more than no more. The quarter course supporters may say, come has to come. Can you look at to go? And no half 1 or 2 young men to press boss. No means a press boss can't now make us a babara, or babia, Kotoko for no pay a press boss, and Miss Acras sanity. I want to who says a press boss on a month for. And no more 2 young. Has no more 2 young. I rose. It was all over after the equalizer. Into no, there no more bar. I see nothing wrong with anyone. Me that's my son. Me who pony beer womb. Oh madam, me pony beer. Pony ball Lulusua, and then America. So Lulusu Martin only were done for Abihu anywhere. But who will be and I don't know if I know of road because of format or Lusua, you get a feel of it. Until Hurodia, it is part of the game. Moko pictures say Hurunibia. And almost do Huruno. Sanka has and social and coming to Mukin, I am just having continents, having Kumswa. Quiet let. They want to make Ramante. Yes, I can, yes, I will feel. Into a Hurona, it is part of the game. Into number they can almost say a boy, because they born supporters at about stadium bed 2:30. And you run stadium as of 2 o'clock, not park and still away empty. Can you see for a gym for me? me there omada no almost abo my level crack and any we ase we omada na omde my level so to aso for me there's nothing wrong come ben you akwa say the meaning interest there because maso nim say wadam for have it so Real Madrid me wa criticize Barcelona criticize but he's a Madrid fan and it is no news to anybody that Javier Tebas a Madrid fan the pure Bob Barcelona 40 on can Madrid assemble man say no the use your beres ne Florentino Perez omkoye committee Florentino Perez ka so onye no afidi o hat to tweti o in Europe their stance are known believe we say the Juma na e man so onkoye no kohwie o hode a we have time to lambast and I say criticizing the Juma but it is a matter of opinion into obedient on dan kwaku ye boa ke ye ha no when you are closer to teams they don't expect you to say mkraba obekem me ma stadium ma kotoko penim bi ka kire mze nra no hu se me ye kotoko di because na na set the bia me kaseti akotoko me ka kire nse ne kasa na me kaseti ade na omo ye na omo nya miye na me kan wase so dan kwaku ye boa criticize Blasters. I don't think he's the fair journalist to criticize the Blasters. Me I have been a critic of the Blasters since 2008. The PR because me, I don't understand why we should pay appearance fee to Blaster players. Me I said that, and me now be our convince me say you both this or the kilometer or say about $80,000 or come over my Blaster. My reason is simple: countries that produce better quality and countries that have better players in Europe are almost calling the shot in their teams. They don't demand for those things. Neman ko kan che Brazil for some man appearance at an World Cup. You saw how Richarlison TTV I said the Gimba Kupa American Wakobo. That is the joy of playing for a national team. Omo team will be a Bobby. And I don't know what team the Omo team the players they do of them. But check their team. Everybody is a starter in his team. Yeah, elsewhere in the country it is not the same. Until some more than 217 is here at the Nakobo tournament. It is because of Adia why me a chem and I can go to this anymore. So that player don't need to demand for appearance fee. That is our point. Yes, money. Yes, my can say a cocoa boy Uganda. I want to mention money to mention. So we don't need to pay a treasure bill for players in those games. See a cocoa chan Nigeria, Cameroon, Egypt. All money ain't even no more. Yanka see a do working. You bet you yes, man. Me Janko Kuya carry. Sase we am on so crusade here and I've been part of that particular train. Me nya is okay. Me die because me say me obian timi come check the players one by one. And the year don money cup of nation na be hu omo. Lumo ago no new cup of nation na be hu omo. John Boy this a cup of nation ya. Kasim no cup of nation ya. Wakasu mu cup of nation ya. Asamoja cup of nation ya. The day you say cost once. Jordan na you enkoyi. Ye players the ball omo bom ko manim. Canada took Christian to a plan or Babishim. So such player, Oba and Christian to confess here, oh, the Baba has spotted you. So game woman because I call the bone, a war because only be more. King, you don't need to pamper such players. Almost also with the importance of playing for the national team. Because so to me, about 70% of your national team, you qualify to play for the English Premier League or Mutias. And none I was a players here, the two of them. And none I was a come on what you say. This is the importance of playing or wearing the national colors. Kids and no one. So, say for football or bomber by a Monikino. So, continue to reduce our standard now for Blaster King. And can level on Catra baby or one cock. I'm not saying it's a one idea or heavy, but it's more than one wasn't enough. It has some more than or Cobo Denisi, or Cobo Lens or Cobo Hen. And your baby jet now it's the Blasters. Such player no on saying here say a bah ye bomba kwa no into your so as can go play more the call Egypt no e je call Brazil no now you Antonio waka on to mark on sabu say player say abanu so first can am I and kasa one first can am I bobo no na ke ye ba ni anso ya ba be boy some more players na no Ken if you want to demand for better who team name amon kasa da bi ye ba sika say the beje me say me tin say Ghanaian player bi apply ketua ntu mu yo ni team da ke who is that player say Ghana player we there o see the team now wo mo no so man to no ketua ma obe free o Ghana player be Obi more player back who didn't say. Not even Thomas Partey who is playing for Atletico Madrid. Not even Kodja Sama who is playing for Inter Milan. Say me dem ye Inter me wo Juve. Me Kodja Sama me Bobby. Me see Juve for tomato kem ke yati bi da. Yenti bi da. But the Yaya Toures, the drawbacks, the top players playing for their teams out there. Almost there be saying na ye pet. One family I am. You need players or Mudru Sankof. Not even the whole baby jet, who has scored close to 50 goals for Ghana. On one team demanded big goal the team. Yeah, sign money platform. I'm not the ISL. What done the Monday bonnet did not sign their corporate contract and see about tournament TV. Not gonna tell me a salary. If we are come bench on benefits. It is the blasters. It is a journalist because asking we not the most at the number in Tibon until Afcon no more. Afcon so. Oman penny omobeko players ni kushia obubodin oboro opokuntidin obo Sunday Ibrahim and the likes. It is because of adi o my dia magana ntibesi ne okoto se okọ class 5 ne class 2 ne class 3 4 no ohwe omo books a sam crofo no yetim de omo to book achi yetim de omo ye reading and I say ye tre essay form in there at your level at your time I've been in the blasters said ye na won so ye be back up 0 Munye she and so any pampering sa mumunti budget the plaque aban to na budget ready na me can say me be wi asem hu obi a was spend this career uso me bu akonta wonti mi muda obi akose spend wi na so mu akonta obi pu ni ya mo na si pepepe and no because of the blasters city that can and penny for no so mo be sa enti dan kwaku ya bu asem a o kan on kan boni bia. So you blaster player that's them koku e bo aba nti ball run home at the end of it all team na ogun na abesa coach unko woni da nti they should be focused and concentrate in the games again baso
well me da say pe so mo kwesu ofia ba cha me fa me course no show mo kwe so we trend be 48 hours we Ghana show mo kwe pictures no shit 02441949 20 024419 4920 and 020077 1417 0200 77 1417 0244 194920 me ba cho ba bo ni tawai na ye ntwa so ale
the champion game
boss into
Alpha Belfita Bidiane Ibrahim Obia Kate Mabepia Okuku Ikamina Samema wa Tusuku Kate you better say account supporters say Omunya will say Emma coach any boys to know. Okay, and I don't put the other performance here coach any boys to know. And the Maya kid they had like Yamaka crazy and about body. They just now coach now chance you know. Remember Pian Pambe the Pam coach Pam player with young boys to know. Now we need to have to forget. You hear quite well I used to know. You try to the family who is out of the you bring out the car if you are the boys to go. Kid, my cow.
okay well me da say pe ale boss transfer Jumanja oh I know went to me am na me pese show mo kwe obesere show mo kwe kakra ya te here Ale
My boss.
yes sir
Okay. When you
Well, none of it either. Moving some rabbit. Medasi pa, bro. Ale. Boss, toss right. Okay. Medasi, Bobby Sumrabi. Ale. Yes, sir.
And no kind of one. Also, can be sent to the
Okay. I'll buy into a song, why? Yes, sir. Man, Casa Angel. Yeah, yes, me. Medasi pa, bro. Opa yin medasi pi. Mami fa da kwala na ono so fa de ne bra. Opa yin to so ma be. Boss. Yen kwe. Don't buy off your eye. Oh, sir. Solo, medasi pa, bro. Na na pretuma ba ma fa me last call. Open fa ye twa to na am pretuma me to so mai. Dale. Yeah, fa ye twa to. Okay. Medase pa yam fa no se na mpretwe ma gan tran se. Nana boko de.
Ken boko.
So mo kwe.
Ken.
Say the I say.
Nana,
Lionels.
So mo kwe.
Ken na ama bo so
So
mo.
mo ase se wa dwa obo na.
Oh.
Say si kana no.
Say
Se wa dwa obo so.
oh mi nyan bo so. Yi battle na mi tu. Ele battle na mi tu na.
Na mi se wo chere bo.
Oh, Dabi, the body again me queen kwa wanyina mi. Ken. Na kwamba ni akọ mo yefere maso aka na se mo kan. Maso aka kan kan ko atunu no. Kwamba ba ni akọ yi as a leader. Ka wo ye bibia kan ko to mo ni pahu. Ka so tubu ana do sesi. Na wo ye mo bia hu so wo ye kotroni. Nye te kotro se ya ye bo mo da no. Wo ka hu bi no mu huri yen. So ti ase. Kwamba ni akọ ba bia wadu no. Eni kwa se kogo. Kwamna e bo ade. Obie ni wo so tumi hu se me kotroni. Ele pelisanai. Wo lu kwa lo so jubile tiche wo kwamba ni akọ. Felisana na also onu wa medano a mutawakili dai na hotel ni munyam no e also ko nu kututu champagne
Fa me.
fa mo e zo ni me boy o mu ne boy no mu kura mu be kuma e fi dai bo body o also bi kura ka bi ye da bai ye da nana ye da bai
Lionels.
nana
And let's say,
e yo nana
you better than.
bi ya da di nana aso si center want
Let me catch up.
oh ne central ho kama pa
Sir.
a police bo no bo
I was out watching.
omo bo say omo mu wi cars no omo chi omo ene omo di bo gugu o se
Cast
wo
matches no.
ai wo e wi a o ka bia be ho manim se bi ebi wo mu a
Wo bia.
ai
If you need to identify.
mi die ma ko mi ko tete o he na se eja mi tuwe mi pe mo se wo
Omo yen saying.
omo ye se ye de yi ya mo ka se yi bi na tu se tag o se de ye de tutu omo nyina ko mi wo mbegina ho
That's right.
na wo hu bi enyim a wo ba ko nyim ase pona penensa ba ko bu na nyim ba ka se de bombo he ne sam do do no a se omo nyim nya fine eno eno mo be jeja ho na wo yo mo ma ye sade na wo tu say yes it is omo wi aka se yes
We shall know the two seasons.
wo be
Better one than him.
e bi se sa na obi e na oji obi ka eno mo akwa akwache no ohun nipa no a woni ye ka bibi ato so bra na na di police boy bo ma ba so o na omo di omo ba be bo ya sa omo ye aduma na so omo ye sire ma ka be boy
Ashanti region there, police for them say, Ombo Momode.
ombo de na ebinum
Catiboni beef.
abel frefrem
Who say two classophobi a woman?
ene no pekwa na metio hu se na na kuna du ka bi se omo ya na bi yi fa ho no ya no o na metete o ka na bo hye ho no mu nyai
Oh, okay.
o mu nyai I say ba bi e ma fare squad no bo won e bi no bi ka ya ka ya chi o mu kwa me ko so ko mu jai na na so sila no bu so o mu yeti no be gi se sa police po tie ya ano bo pa no o mu de o mu ko bo ba bi
Okay.
na o mu ti so o mai o mu yi fa on aso din doso na na aso din doso ai
Lion no.
Hello.
And I said, bro.
o na bo fu ka kre bi na o
English teacher.
ai
English master.
wo le mu da ho
We are sure.
ai na wo le mu da ho
We are for the more.
wo le mu da ho
The more mere.
mutual consent
Hey.
ai
Where the central send the baby.
oh what do you say
Because when you, I know mutual and consent.
consent ai
I have a
we dey say mu da ho
muda home.
ai mu da ho pa na
Mutual consent.
consent
Show me, we are
oh
sure.
na na
Mutual
I
consent.
swear even an F
Emuda home.
Emuda home pa.
I say.
oh I'm in the